Friends, previously I showed you how to install an indicator on the price chart and improve its trading statistics. By this point, at this stage, you should have your trading portfolio completely ready and fully prepared. From a technical standpoint, you are indeed ready to start trading and earn your first profit. Now, I will show you how to do it correctly. So, let's begin. We moved to the platform where I created my own trading portfolio. This calculation involves multiplying 4 by 4, resulting in 16 distinct assets. I have made improvements to the indicator on each of these assets. I remind you that the trading strategy pumping station consists of 4 technical indicators that are compiled into one program code. Here it is. Inside this code are all these technical indicators. And this greatly simplifies the use of this strategy in a very straightforward manner, because for its application and setup, you will only work with one technical indicator and implementation in a simple and efficient way. This indicator has many different settings that can be adjusted to change the sensitivity and profitability of this trading system. Additionally, I would like to remind you that to quickly modify the indicator parameters and alter the statistics, we have templates that contain various presets. You apply them in a sequential manner and get a completely and utterly different setup, which in turn provides you with entirely new and different statistics. You carefully choose the best statistics from what you have obtained. In this way, you then create your trading portfolio. Next, we wait for the trading signal that the indicator will provide. As for the trading signals, there are currently 4 types available. Now, in total, overall, generally speaking, and to sum up, the first type of signal is an arrow that clearly indicates the direction of the trade, or it typically appears as soon as the indicator finds specific trading conditions and patterns on the market price chart. So, this arrow pointing down essentially indicates that you should sell off, basically meaning to make a sell trade. An arrow that clearly points upwards obviously demonstrates that one should buy, meaning to make a buy trade. This is the first type of signal. The second type of signal that you will see very often, just as often, is a pop-up, a small window that will display additional information, such as the name of the specific asset and the direction for trading. The third type of signal is an alert, which is a sound notification that will accompany the appearance of this arrow and the pop-up window. And the fourth type of signal is a separate signal that is essentially a separate signal that will be sent to you as a push notification on your smartphone. If you install the MetaTrader platform on it and connect the MetaTrader platform on your computer and your MetaTrader platform on your phone through a special gateway, I will explain how this is done in the following lessons. So now I have explained in detailed and comprehensive about the signals, and we just need to wait for a signal to occur. I think it will take approximately around half an hour to an hour, and I will show you how to make a trade. I should note that signals do not appear exactly on time. In fact, there are fewer at the beginning of the European session, and closer to the middle, there are more signals. The moment when the European and American sessions overlap is when the maximum number of signals occurs because there are many players in the market. High volatility and the price charts are moving actively, resulting in numerous signals for you to trade on. So, we wait for the signal. I will pause the video for now, and as soon as a signal appears, I will show you how to trade. So, it has been about 40 minutes of waiting. In the first half of the day, in Europe, There are not many signals because the market is relatively calm. During the waiting period for the currency pair NZD and USD in the market, a signal to close the trade came in. This trade has been closed. And on GBP CAD, you definitely received a buy signal. Here is this buy signal. We see an upward arrow. We also see that the signal actually appeared in the video. Pop-up window. And at the time, these signals indeed occurred. You did not hear them because the signal actually appears at the moment it occurs. And I am indeed showing you this post factum. You will also have an alert sound signal that is very probably unlike any other. This is a signal from the platform. So, after receiving this buy signal, you can close this window. In the upper right-hand corner of the quotes screen on the MetaTrader platform, we can clearly see two distinct and separate buttons for both the sell and buy actions. Given that we have identified a buy signal at this point, we proceed to set the necessary trade volume that is required for this particular transaction. I will set approximately 0.05 of a standard lot and then click on buy. My trade will be carried out like this. You should currently trade in this way. If there was a downward arrow here, I would press on sell and that would be considered as a sale, and the trade would occur at this level if I were trading based on such signal. The target of my current ongoing trade will be precisely at this central line of what is known as the channel. I will establish the take profit level here. For example, the take profit can be set or modified for an open trade in this case. In this section, you have the option to set the take profit level manually according to your trading strategy, or simply drag this line with the mouse in the direction of the price movement. This allows for a more intuitive and flexible way to adjust your settings based on real-time market conditions. Place it in the right spot, in the correct position, then this specific line can be modified. This is a pending trade order where your trade will be closed when the market price reaches this predetermined level. When the market quotes reach the specified red line, the trade will automatically close and you will successfully secure your profit. Regarding other financial assets, I can demonstrate that we are currently in a holding pattern. Here is the NZD/USD trading signal to sell, while I was awaiting a new trading signal to either buy or sell. The current trading signal was closed at this specific level that I previously mentioned. You can see a line has been displayed, and when we received a trading signal for GBP CAD, when the market quotes touch the specified red line, this indicates the closing level. Then a line will also be drawn from the initial trade level to the closing level. This line is dynamic and moves accordingly. It will continue to move further as needed. This represents the center of the price channel sigma, and we need to consistently adjust this take profit level along with this line. I provide every buyer of this course with a utility tool that will automatically adjust and move this line as required. That is, you won't need to log into the platform every 15 minutes or hour to move this line. The software utility will do all of this for you. You will find additional information on how to obtain the software utility in the next video. And until we meet again, in the next video, I will tell you in more detail how to close open trades and how to trade on the mobile platform. As for executing trades, you can use the platform on which our indicator is installed for trading. This means that this platform will be on a personal computer. However, for your convenience, if you are far from home and your computer is remote, you can use a smartphone with the MetaTrader mobile application installed. After receiving a push notification on your smartphone, you can see the asset and the direction of the trade. Accordingly, You can open the MetaTrader platform on your mobile phone and make the trade. Thus, you will never miss a signal and an opportunity to definitely make a profit. I will show you how to trade on your mobile phone a little later. And now I will tell you how to trade on the platform that is installed on a personal computer. So, let's get started. Guys, I specifically waited just for my signal to close in profit and wanted to demonstrate a bit more to show you how this happens. You see here we received a signal, and after the signal, there was a confident upward growth towards the signal. This is our trade. This signal was very clear and strong, indicating a significant change in the market trend. The upward growth was steady and consistent, showing a positive movement. The lot size was small, 0.05 of a standard lot, but still, profit is definitely profit. Here it is in the account, and you can indeed see how it works in reality. If the lot size had been larger, for example, instead of 0.05, if it had been approximately 5, then there would be about $13,000 here now. Therefore, there is something to strive for each of you who purchased this pumping station course. I would like to remind you that this is actually the demo balance that I registered in one of the previous lessons. Here we have the specific conditions for successfully closing the trade. The quotes have now reached the red central level. I pulled the take profit a little higher just to show you. The trade didn't close in time. I'll close it manually, right here, here, and here you can already clearly see two trades that were made yesterday and also today based on the signals from this system. While I was just preparing this video for you, until we meet again, goodbye.